Okay guys, we are going to make one of our Arabic food here. I don't even know the name in Arabic, but this is like grilled chicken. I'm going to make grilled chicken and white rice. My rice is already washed and soaked in hot water. This is my chicken and these are my vegetable mixed with potatoes. So this is a spicy I use. I've already mixed into the chicken. This is a spicy lemon pepper. That's lemon pepper chicken spicy. This is the one I use. So I've already mixed it and I've put olive oil into it. I'm going to tie it now in a plastic bag and keep for some time, let's say 30 minutes before I bake. So follow me to the process. Let's cook. Okay guys, when you buy the spicy, this is a spicy I've already used, and this is a plastic bag. I'm going to open it. Let me put on gloves. Okay, so guys, I already mixed the chicken with the spicy and I added olive oil. I'll put a bit of our vegetable. This vegetable, we have a green pepper, onion, tomato, carrot. That's all. Okay guys, I'll have to try and keep while I prepare our oven to bake. I need all the oil out. Okay, ready to be baked, but I'll keep for 30 minutes. Like I said, I'm going to prepare the oven now. In 30 minutes time, we are going to bake. So guys, it's close to 30 minutes now. We package our chicken and vegetables and our oven was already on. Now we are going to put it in the oven. We are going to bake for about 1 hour 30 minutes. So let's take it to our oven. Okay, that's it, and the oven closed. So guys, make sure the oven is open, rice. Yeah. When adding to your food, don't go and put too much or just a little. Look at what I'm putting. You put and check the color. I'll need to add a little again. I don't want it too yellow. I think this one will be okay. Yeah, this one is okay. Okay, this one is okay guys. Okay, this is our rice. we'll boil our rice, not too much soft. We'll boil this rice half cooked. Yes, half cooked, because it still has process. Okay guys, as you can see, that's our rice. I have already removed it. It's in the drainage. Now we are going to continue the cooking. Okay, I've removed our onion. Remember I put onion, right? So I'm going to put this vegetable. Kuweka na cooking.
You have bubbles? No. You have bubbles?
No.
Hey, no bubbles. You're big.
Mama. Mama.
Sure.
Mama.
You remember our onion? I'm putting it at one corner. I've made the fire very low, and the rice is just there warming up, because the chicken is still to get ready. Okay, this is our chicken at the moment. I just removed to check. I'll put it back. Still in our baking plastic. See? I'm scared to hold it. We have still hot. Okay, we have to put it again. I make video.
For the chicken? This one, the missing remote.
So guys, you can see I've removed our chicken from the baking plastic. You can see this is a color, this is how it looks. We wait for our rice now, then I will show you guys how it looks. Guys, this is how the rice will look like. You are seeing this because I've removed the one we are going to eat. So this is it on the plate. This is a rice. That's how it would look like. So guys, you can see this is our rice and chicken Arabic recipe, and great chicken. This is Arabic recipe. So join me, let's eat together. Thanks for watching. I love you all so very much. Bye.